Welcome back to the topic Microservices and Centralized Logging. Today we will discuss secure connection between Logstash and Elasticsearch. Prerequisite: Elasticsearch expect security must be enabled, and also key store and task store certificates must be created or should be available. If you don't know how to enable expect security, you can visit my other videos. Here is the configuration of single node Elasticsearch with HTTP connection over in Logstash. Here is the input. Is getting input from the Logstash. That's the configuration. And apart from that, we need to provide the output to Elasticsearch. So it's mentioning the host name, and Elasticsearch is running on port 9200, putting the address here. Next, we will go by 3-node cluster. For the output configuration in the host, you need to provide three IPs for 3 nodes for reliability. If you provide only 1 node, that is also okay. But for reliability, you need to provide all the 3 nodes. For example, if this one is down, node 1 is down, then still your Logstash can send data to other 2 nodes. You can configure the round robin way as well. Let's say the first record will be sent in the first one, second record will be sent to the second server, and third record will be sent to the third server, and the next it will repeat from 1 to 3. So here is the configuration of Elasticsearch single node with the HTTP connection. Here is the configuration. You see the host, you're putting the address. It's like the HTTPS, and apart from that, you need username and password. That username password, when you are enabling expect security, at that time you are providing that username and password. And other things, you need to do SSL true, certificate verification is true, and then the key store that should be putting in a security folder inside your home directory. And file name can be anything, so it's mentioned as your uh, as file file name you have. And if there is optional key store, so if require any password, so you need to provide that password as well. Same for trust store as well. So file format can be JKS or P2L format. Now we'll discuss that with HTTPS connection. Here is the configuration. Most of the things are same as like earlier, but here we provided three node for reliability. You can provide only 1 node as well, but let's say this one is down, and then the log can be sent to the second server and the third server respectively. Okay, or you can put the round robin way. Additional configuration is required. You can send the log to Elasticsearch in any of the Elasticsearch node. Thanks for watching. This video is a part of a video series based on the topic Microservices and Centralized Logging. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe the channel.